Look how cute that little flower box turned out. You can pick these up at the Dollar Tree. They're by the artificial flowers. And I thought this would go perfect for my granddaughter's tea party. And I have tons of napkins left over, so I am going to make a pretty centerpiece. So I first started off with a Waverly plaster. It's chalk paint. You could probably spray paint these. It might work better, but I loathe spray paint. Nope, it's not for me. So I try covering up the best I can because, like I said, it is plastic, and it's kind of a flimsy plastic, as you can see it shaking around. So I just apply one thin coat, and I'm not really worried about the coverage since I am going to put a napkin on it. So I'm just going to hurry up and dry that layer, and I did end up putting on 2 coats of that. So now I have my napkins, and I'm going to take 2 pieces of tape on either side of the napkin and just separate it like that. Somebody suggested this to me, and you are correct. It does work way better. So now that I only have the 1 ply of my napkin left, it's time to start having fun. I am going to use dishwasher Mod Podge on this since it is going to have real flowers in it, and I wanted it to be waterproof. So I'm just applying 1 layer, and I use makeup brushes that I can get at Dollar Tree also. And I'm just applying the first napkin on there, making sure it's covered. And then I had a lot of wrinkles, so I just grabbed some saran wrap, and you just kind of press them out, and it works really well. So I'm just going to blow that dry and take off the excess with my little crocodile sander. I love these things. You can get these at Walmart. I got this one at Home Depot just because I was there. They're probably way cheaper at Walmart. Let's get real. So then I just take off the excess. I didn't care about the bottom, how I layered it, but when I got to the sides, I wanted to make sure all of my sides were up and down. On this napkin, there is a direction where all the flowers go. You wouldn't want to have one side with upside down flowers. That'd be weird. So I'm just going to keep doing the same thing for all the sides, just applying my napkin, getting it good and dry. And I wasn't very aggressive when I was sanding off the sides of this because, like I said, it is very thin. I mean, it's Dollar Tree, guys. But you won't know that it's from Dollar Tree when we're done with this. It's going to look so pretty. So there they all are. All the sides are done. I'm going to add another layer of the dishwasher-proof Mod Podge. Now, it's not waterproof yet. I think it says something like 24 hours. And then it'll be waterproof, and then don't put in a dishwasher for several days. And I didn't want to put a napkin on top of it, so I just kept that with the white since it's going to be covered with the pretty flowers. And then I got water in it. It's all dry. My grocery store has clearance flowers that I buy for myself all the time. And I just added some of those. And you guys, this turned out so pretty, and it was so easy. So pretty. And there she is, ready for the birthday party. I hope you guys enjoyed this and go make you one. Remember, if you like this, like it, share it, or subscribe. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you next time.